going to introduce about the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is now trending and it's being used by many industries and everywhere it is being used there. How it is going to be helpful for the ads industry, I'm going to train about that one today. So let's say straight going to the interface and how it looks, it will be like something like this. Once you search for ChatGPT, let's say I'm just going and search for ChatGPT, you will find this link there. When you have to open it, it will ask you to create a login. Once you click on the try chat gpt, it will ask you to create an account by providing the phone number and the email id. Once you logged in, you will land to the interface like this, and here all the game starts, like from writing any kind of text, from searching any keywords for the Google ads or anything that you want to know and you want to write, because this is a language based AI tool which will give you a lot detailed text and everything that you want to use. However, before starting, you can go ahead and try and finding out some example like how you have to use it. The examples are the queries of the examples are already listed here. Some capabilities that will confirm that what kind of good things that it can find, and some limitations. Because of the limitations, like that it is not that much updated, but any question that you ask in terms of language based thing, it will definitely provide a lot of information. Let's say I want to write some ads for the YouTube channel that I'm having, that is an AdWords Academy. When we are writing ads in the Google Ads, we have to provide the 15 headlines and 4 description lines. Sometimes it's become more tricky and time consuming when you are not able to write the ads there. So let's say I'm going and search for here to write an ad for AdWords Academy. So when I search for this, you can see how easily and how quickly and accurately it's just trying to give you a lot of content that you can use directly in your ads campaign. So you can see here, it's just giving all the details that you needed in your ad campaign, and it is just providing, it's giving a little detailed ads right now. Let's say I want to ask and go with the specific one, so I will search like write an ad of description line 90 char and then AdWords Academy. So here, since you have given the command to write the description lines only for the 80 character, and you can see here just providing the description line of 80 character here. Let's say I want to use some more, and I'm just going to give a command like write let's say 5 ads with 15 headlines and 15 headlines of 30 character and 4 description lines of 90 character, because that is our requirement. So like this. For, and then the channel or any website that you want to use it there. Now see the magic there, like okay, so it just started writing ad set 1. So since it's creating 5 ads, then it will just start creating the 15 headlines for ad set 1 and then 4 description lines for ad set 1. Further, it will create another 5 ads, like another second ad set 2. So you can see the magic here. Now ad set 2. And it's all the unique basically. So when I see here, I can see like most of these are the unique one. Maybe somewhere you need to tweak a little bit because the character can go a little higher, like more than 30 character, but almost this is doing a great job. So I thought of creating a video to showcase like how you can leverage the benefit of the chat GPT in your ad writing or in your Google Ads management. I do have few more commands that I used, and I will definitely share a new video that will help you understand like how you can use it, start using, and try making your ads more compelling, more attractive and fast. So you can see here like I'm just sitting and it's doing everything. It's a great tool, and it's really helpful while you are quite busy and you are not having that much of time to work on the ad copies, just giving all the details and everything that I needed here. So for now I just created 4 ad sets only. I think I need to give a command again, or maybe try giving a less command, but it will just give you all the data that you required. So this was a test and a demo of ChatGPT. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to see more of this kind of videos, subscribe the channel and let's keep learning. Thank you.